If you're new to eco printing, or even an experienced eco printer who has had a little bit of a break from the process, I find it's very helpful to have a checklist in mind that I would review the night before any session. So, the sort of things I would be asking myself are: have I got a selection of suitable fabric to print on? Has it been washed? And have I soaked it overnight in plain water? Is my dirty pot prepared and ready to use? Do I know which vegetation I'm intending to use? Have I got space to work in comfortably? And for me, tidiness is not my middle name. So I would always check in my printing studio that I have a clear table to work on. I like to use plastic party tables. And so a clear table to work on, and another table where I can put my vegetation and my supplies. So have I got my string, my scissors, some towels, optional gloves and a mask? Have I got my heat source? Is there gas for my propane or my butane burner? Have I got matches or a lighter to light the gas? Have I got time to print? This is a big one. You can break the eco printing process down into many different stages and phases. But when it comes to the physical printing and turning your pot on, is there time to print? You can roll your bundles, wrap them in wax paper and leave them overnight, prepare more the next day and then print. But at some stage, you are going to need at least half a day in a block of time, if at all possible, to actually turn the heat on and process your bundles. If you're working with cellulose fabric, have you got your rust water prepared? Have you got optional pipes or cores to roll your bundle up on? Have you got some vinegar? And have you got suitable clothes and footwear that you are going to have on when you are eco printing? So that's my mental checklist that I go through the night before I eco print.